Hey, you've probably heard about the power of backlinks in SEO, but did you know that the internal website links can also help? Internal links point to another page on your site. You can use internal links to help users navigate your site and spread link equity from page to page. Contextual links are one of the most common types of internal links. Within your content, it's often useful to link contextually to another page on your site. As an example, when I mentioned the importance of anchor text below, I may want to link that phrase to another web page that goes more in depth on the topic. This allows users to easily browse and learn more. Our guidance here at the Hoth is to find 2 to 5 quality internal links for every 500 to 1,000 words in a blog post. You can do more or less, but that's what we found works best for us. Another type of internal link is called a navigational link. These allow users to easily find the pages they're looking for, and it tells search engines which pages are the most important. Anchor text is also used in internal linking. You can use target keywords as your anchor text so Google knows the topic of the link. Internal links are an effective tool in your SEO arsenal, but make sure you regularly monitor them to avoid broken internal links. These are links that aren't working. They could be an error in the link URL, or maybe the web page is no longer active on your site. Either way, your SEO could be harmed if you accumulate too many broken links. We recommend a WordPress plugin called Broken Link Checker to monitor your site, especially as you keep adding more and more pages. Read the rest of the Hoth Learning Hub to discover how internal links and backlinks can help you boost your search engine rankings. Do you have any questions about how to set up internal links? Simply book a strategy call session with us by clicking the link below.